NinjaED AI is a powerful new tool that promises to change how you approach digital marketing and AI-driven tasks. If you're considering diving into this cutting-edge software, keep watching because I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about NinjaED, and I'll share whether it truly lives up to the hype. By the end of this, you'll know whether it's the right fit for your business needs. First off, let's talk about what NinjaED is and why it's so special. This newly released AI software is designed to automate and optimize a range of business functions, from content creation to data analysis, marketing automation, and customer insights. What makes it stand out from other AI tools on the market is its intuitive interface and deep learning capabilities. Essentially, it learns as you use it, offering personalized solutions tailored to your business. One of the standout features of NinjaED AI is its content generation engine. Whether you're a marketer looking to streamline blog posts or an entrepreneur needing product descriptions, this tool will save you hours. It leverages natural language processing, so the content it generates reads naturally, no robotic sounding text here. And the best part? It can adapt to your specific style and tone, making it feel like it was written just for you. NinjaED AI also excels at analyzing customer data. It doesn't just provide surface-level reports, it dives deep into customer behavior and trends, offering actionable insights that can boost your conversion rates. If you're serious about targeting the right audience, this software's ability to identify microsegments and predict future trends will be a game changer for your campaigns. Another feature that is hard to ignore is the automation capabilities. If you've been manually managing emails, social media posts, or sales funnels, NinjaED will make your life a lot easier. You can set up automations that trigger based on customer actions, ensuring you're always delivering the right message at the right time. And it's all powered by their robust AI system that gets smarter with use. It also integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Shopify, Google Analytics, and more. If you're already using these tools, the integration process will be smooth, allowing you to sync your data and streamline your operations without needing a whole new setup. For those of you running paid ads, NinjaED AI also offers an intelligent ad optimization tool. It automatically adjusts bids, tests different ad creatives, and identifies the best performing strategies. This means you can spend less time tweaking ads and more time focusing on growing your business. Now, I know you're probably wondering about pricing. The great news is you can try NinjaED for free with the link in the description below. They offer a free trial that lets you explore all of the features and see how they can transform your workflow without committing to anything upfront. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this is a risk-free way to determine if it's the right software for you. If you're still on the fence, NinjaED's customer support is exceptional. They offer 24/7 assistance, so if you run into any issues or have questions, you'll be able to get the help you need quickly. And with continuous updates and new features being rolled out, it's clear that they're committed to making the software even more powerful over time. After testing hundreds of AI tools, I can confidently say NinjaED AI is one of the most promising options I've come across. It's easy to use, incredibly versatile, and packed with features that can elevate your digital marketing efforts. So, if you're ready to level up your business and save time with AI, don't miss out on the free trial. In the description below, I've also linked to my recommended AI software. These are tools I've tried, tested, and can vouch for after using them in real-world applications. Go ahead and check them out if you want to explore other AI solutions that could help your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this review helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to click that link and start your NinjaED AI free trial today.